Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable or turn off tracking prevention feature on Microsoft Edge browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off tracking prevention feature from Microsoft Edge, click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Click on settings. Now click on privacy search and services. Now you will find an option here, tracking prevention. By default this feature is enabled, and if you want to disable or turn off tracking prevention feature, just click on here to turn it off. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.